What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Civic, which has pumped up nearly 27% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just over 17 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is it going to keep pumping or is it going to drop back down in value? And we're going to be looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, also going into 2024. Is Civic a must-have crypto in your wallet, and looking at how high can this crypto go in 2024 as well. Also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it time to buy it right now before it pumps up even higher, or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, it is getting very close to the resistance target, which is quite interesting. Two things can happen here, guys. It can hit the resistance target and break out above 20 cents, or it can drop back down into the red zone, but we'll have a look at that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Civic, which is here in purple at just over 11 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 17 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, of course, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction, and indeed looking very steep as well, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep going in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Civic to have dropped back down to just below 15 cents is where I'm expecting Civic to be trading at. However, over the next couple of hours, it's likely to pump up higher to about 19 to 20 cents over the next few hours before it slowly starts to drop back down later on today and in the early hours of tomorrow down to around just below 15 cents. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning this is once again not realistic, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Civic, but probably trading around 19 to 20 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by the end of next week. But in between that time, of course, do expect red days and green days up and down. Is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, so heading towards 19 to 20 cents by the end of next week is what I'm predicting. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again the blue line is still looking very steep, and so is the orange line as well. So once again, this isn't realistic, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late December, early January 2024, I'm expecting Civic to be trading around the 27 to 28 cents target. Somewhere in between that value is where I'm expecting Civic to be trading at. So an overall increase in value is what is expected, but do expect dips in between as well. It is cryptocurrency. We are of course going to see dips in between, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And in this point, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Civic over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well. And going into 2024, I'm expecting the whole crypto market to be moving towards the positive direction, hitting green candles, and including Bitcoin. As mentioned in my previous videos, I'm expecting it to hit over $42,000 towards the end of this year and early next year, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I get into that, just a little announcement, guys. If any of you guys are interested in joining my Telegram group chat, the link to that will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is for a limited time only, as it is usually $29.99. So if you guys want to get involved, make sure to join, as it is for a limited number of people. So what happens once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. Ignore the figures here, this is an old screenshot from earlier on in the year, but yeah, you guys get the gist on what to expect, and also answer your questions. If you guys have any predictions or analysis questions, you guys can pop it in the group chat and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And the second group chat shows what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I am a long-term investor, meaning I don't buy and sell cryptos every day or every week and so on. It is a very, sustainable type of investment when it comes to long-term investment. It's not short-term, as it is very risky. So anyways, back to Civic, guys. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone. However, we are getting very close to the resistance target here, which is 20 cents, which I did say I'm expecting it to hit towards the end of next week. So by mid and end of next week, we should be hovering around the resistance target, literally resisting here and potentially break out from the resistance target towards the end of November, heading into the green zone, heading up to 26 to 27 cents towards the end of the year, and early January is what I said earlier on in the video. So yes, we should be able to break out from the red zone, heading into the green zone over the next 2 to 3 months, guys. We should be trading in the green zone. So for those of you asking, what is my buying and selling price for Civic? Would I buy it right now? No, I wouldn't, because it is overvalued. Anywhere above 7 cents, I wouldn't buy. Again, when it comes to investing, I'm very strict. I have limited buying and selling prices. So anywhere above 7 cents, I wouldn't invest into the crypto for the short term. That is not it. I'm talking about the long term. Short term, you can invest into it at any time. Realistically, is all about when you sell it. Again, but right now, buying it for the long term, I wouldn't invest into it. And would I sell it right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell 100% of my investment in Civic. What I would do is, if I had $1,000 in Civic right now and I was on a profit, I would sell about 40% of it, so $400 worth of Civic I would sell, and keep the remaining $600, which is 60%, going into 2024, and potentially sell it when it hits over about 30 to 40 cents, which I'm expecting it to hit, or even much higher than that, depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, at the moment, I will be selling some and holding some as well. So it works both ways. I've taken out some profits and I've also got some investment in Civic if it does manage to, break out at any point next year. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Civic. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what are your predictions on this crypto, guys? What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.